8, and 9. Now to this, we're going to add our sugar all at once, and we are going to add our vanilla. Now we are going to gently break the egg yolks. Mix it a little bit. Okay. So now we're going to put on, my blender is a KitchenAid, and it has 10 settings. I'm going to put it on 10 settings, which is on high, for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to go back after the 10 minutes and lower it to a 6 or an 8. And this is going to take, like I said, a whole 10 minutes. And I will show you, I want those eggs to rise up. Okay. Sorry about that. So as you can see, when you're able to do this, and you see the line and it doesn't go in too quick, then it's pretty much ready, okay? So I am going to switch the beat paddle for this paddle. If you don't have a blender, definitely do it by hand, okay? Because you want to keep the volume of the egg. Let's switch to this. That's called a paddle attachment. And we're going to put that on low. And we're going to begin to add our flour a little bit at a time. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to do the rest by hand. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this batter and I'm going to put it in a separate bowl. And I'm going to take the oil and we're going to smooth it in there. And to the oil, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vinegar. So this is a teaspoon of vinegar. And we are going to mix that to this. So I'm taking the mixture that I did and I'm pouring it over this one. I'm going to begin to fold it together, okay? And that's it. So as you can see, I baked the cakes in a bath of water, which is just a nice flat container, and that is gonna help our cake rise and cook evenly. So out of the batter, I was able to make 6 cupcakes, and because I need this for a birthday cake, I want to show you the inside of that batter with the cupcakes. Look at how nice that is. Nice and moist.